Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? So, in 2021, I posted a HMV mystery box unboxing video, and that was one of my highest viewed videos in 2021. So I'm back again. So yes, it seems like 2022, it's just all about me wasting my money on mystery boxes, because if you see my last video, then you know what I'm chatting about. So yes, I thought I'd go to HMV, pick up a mystery box and see what is inside this mystery box. If this one is rubbish, I have got my niece Pollyanna to blame, because I got her to pick it out. They've got multiple ones now. Like, they've got two different colours, variants of this one. They've got like just a plain cardboard box one in two different colour writing on. They've got like, I think it's a £25 box as well, which is like a £50 value inside. This is £9.99, and the value inside is meant to be £25. So yes, if this is a load of rubbish, thanks Pollyanna. So you know what? This video is not just about unboxing this baby. I have done it, people. I have hit 900 subscribers. 900 of you have decided to click that red subscribe button and be subscribed to my channel. Thank you. And you know what that also means? It also means that I am picking a winner for my giveaway. So a couple of videos back, I posted a video saying, yeah, get me to 900 and I will give away the Charlie Betty Beauty palette and a bumper pack of face masks and beauty masks. So we have hit it. Thank you to every single one who has helped me to get this far, get me to this point. Thank you. So I have got my trusted bowl. Well, it's a bowl. I have got all the names of entries inside, and I'm going to pick a winner. So yeah, I was very precise. I made like the strips of paper exact same size, wrote all the names down like entries, folded them up in the exact same way, just so, like, I don't know. So let's pick a winner. The winner is here. Shall we see? And can we just take a look at my nails? I've just done them. They're pretty. So, and the winner is, drum roll please, it is Leslie Britton. I think that says Leslie Britton. Yeah, Leslie Britton. Can you see? Probably can't see. So congratulations, Leslie Britton. I don't think I follow you on Instagram. I think you're kind of new to my channel, so I ain't got a clue. I haven't thought this far ahead. Don't know how I'm going to get in contact with you. Okay, you're going to have to get in contact with me, Leslie. I'm presuming Leslie is your name. So Leslie, I hope that you're watching this. Congratulations. And yeah, I will comment on your comments to see if I can get hold of you, or if you follow me on Instagram, send me a message on there and I shall get your prize to you. Well, giveaway. Is it prize? Yeah, it's prize. So yes, let's get into this. So I've come prepared. I have come prepared because I have got a safety knife, just so I can open it, because I've just done my nails and I don't want to wreck them personally. So I've opened the box. You get to see before me. Is it good? What's inside? Can't see. So, oh, Marvel. I'm a fan of Marvel. Oh, what's that? So the first thing I pull out is a sheet of stickers. So, are these stickers? Yeah, these are stickers. I'm pretty sure they don't sell them like this. So I've got, is it Toy Story? These are Toy Story stickers. Don't know if you can see, but I have Toy Story stickers. So far, not £25 value, but I have stickers. Stickers. So next, I have a postcard. Also not to a value of £25, but it is a Game of Thrones postcard. I am liking that map. I do like maps. So it's the Game of Thrones land map. Is that right? Land. West door of an. Oh, I'm not even going to attempt to read that. I am kind of a Game of Thrones fan. I've watched, I think it's like the first 5 seasons. I think. I don't know. So yes, I got a postcard. Exciting. I'll put that with my stickers. Next, I have a keyring. Okay. A keyring. This is a Mulan. Never seen Mulan. I'm sure it's a great movie, but I myself have not seen it. Not too sure if my niece Louise has seen it, but if she has, then that can go keyring. Okay, so next I have a Zelda Breath of the Wild. Breath of the Wild. Is this a notepad? Okay, some value into that. Looks quite expensive. Wow. Oh, actually, it's got gold rim. It looks like it's not like going to be a pound from Poundland. So let's get into it. I've got more chance of using this one than I did in the notebook I got in the other one, which was a Frozen one, which I'll pass on to my niece. So yeah, Zelda. I don't know much about Zelda, to be honest. The Legend of Zelda. Oh, that's not. This is a nice notebook. So I'm going to get rid of that aside. I like that. I do like this notebook. It's got a gold rim. It's got space for a pen, which I think I just pulled out. Oh no, I didn't. So that is the art inside the back. The art inside the front is that one. Is it Zelda's Land? I don't know much about Zelda. And yeah, that is a good notebook. So, okay, I'm quite happy with that. I'd use that. It's a nice colour theme as well. So, even though I'm not a fan of Zelda, I will be using that. Next, I want to get to this. This is, oh, it's a mug. Oh, it's Venom. It's a Venom mug. I'm not pulling this face because I don't like Venom. I'm pulling this face because I haven't seen Venom. I mean, like, is that like the evil version of Spider-Man? I don't know, it's a Venom mug. I do know my sister and brother-in-law are huge Marvel fans. So I might see if my brother-in-law or even my sister wants this. So these can be not quite expensive, but I'd say about £10 to £15. I reckon that's going to be about £10. So £20 to £25 value in them 2 items alone, because we're going to forget about the stickers and the postcard. And we've got 2 things in Lucky Bands. These are going to be posters, but what are the posters of? Do you want to see first? So, what is it? No room for racism. Is this a football poster? Wait, I'm confused. No room for racism 2021. Love the game, love the players. Show racism, the red card. I'm all for like stop the racism, but is that going to be another one of these? Okay, yeah. I hope, you know what, I hope these posters aren't in that total. Mind you, those stickers, they best not be in that total. So, what's this one say? Please be better, please be better. Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. Okay, that's more me. Yeah, definitely more me. But why does that sound familiar? Is that from like some Disney movie that I've not seen yet? Okay, so I like that one. Probably ain't going to use it. Although I am a huge advocate, like person who doesn't like racism, I'm not going to be displaying this anywhere. Like, this really confuses me. Why? I really hope they are not including the price of these two posters, which you'll probably get free in the newspaper, in with the total of that. I am shocked. How many items are you meant to get? So, contains at least 5 items. And I personally only see a value of 3 items. Yes, even though I am holding up the keyring, it has got a bit of value. So I see the £25 value here, and these are just things I've chucked in for fun. So, didn't really get any better, did it? I mean, look, come on, HMV, do better. What, like, am I missing something? Was this just like a huge campaign? Because I'm sure I know there was football. Was there football last year? Was it cancelled because of COVID? I don't know. This is how lack of information I know about football. I mean, I only say it's got football, like it's to do with football because it's got like flags on, like the crest, and it says "Love the game, love the players," which, woo. But really, HMV, like, anyway, that really didn't get any better, did it? Actually, I am a huge fan of this notebook. Whoa. So, the outcome of this video, I want to say a huge congratulations to Leslie. Please get in touch with me. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you everyone who has subscribed to make me hit this milestone of 900 subscribers. Can we get to 1,000 subscribers ASAP? I'm not going to put a time limit on it apart from the ASAP time limit. So come on guys, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, get me to 1k. And thank you. So I'm going to leave it here. I hope to see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from my soul, and stay sassy.